श्री अकाल, नमस्कार and आदाब। वेलकम टू इको ग्रीन हॉस्पिटैलिटी किचन। आज हम बना रहे हैं पांच फोरन चिकन विंग्स। उसके लिए हमने लिया है 5 पीसेस चिकन विंग्स। We'll add some salt, roughly about 1 tablespoon, and some black pepper. Season it and mix it nicely. उसके बाद हम ऐड करेंगे 1/4 cup of flour and some cornflour, just to give it a coating. And then chicken wings already wet hain, so the flour and the cornflour and maida will stick to it. Now we'll deep fry them first at 160 degree, so the chicken gets cooked. उसके बाद we'll increase the heat to 180 so they'll get crispy. Alternatively, we can also do it in a kadai if you don't have a fryer at home. So now it was at 160. The chicken is almost cooked. We increase the temperature to 180. Wait for till the light goes off and the oil is back to heat. And we put the chicken again to get it crispy. So chicken is ready. It's nice and crispy. So we'll just let the oil strain, and now we'll make the sauce. First, heat the pan. About 2 tablespoons of oil. Once this gets heated up, then we'll add some dried red chillies. Once the chillies start to crackle, we'll add 1 tablespoon of Panch Phoran masala. Lower the heat. Once the heat is done, then we'll add some soy sauce, tomato ketchup, and Nature's Nectar organic honey. Nature's Nectar organic honey has been sourced out from about 38,000 beekeepers all over India. Now, since the sauce is ready, we have our wings here. I'm going to toss the wings into the sauce and coat the wings in a honey-based Panch Phoran mix sauce. And once the chicken wings are coated well all over, we will now do our plating. So the chicken has been coated well, so I'm just going to do the plating. Turn the heat off. Use the chicken wings and some nice, lovely Nature's Nectar honey sauce on top. Some dried red chillies, a little bit of toasted sesame seeds, some green onions, and some nice chili oil. So here we are. That's our Panch Phoran chicken wings cooked with Nature's Nectar organic honey.